local time is approximately 7:30. Please remain seated, seatbelts fastened, leave luggage stowed please until the captain brings a safe stop at our gate and then turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be real careful when you do open the overhead bins. Things will have moved around during the flight. We don't want anything to fall out, hurt you or anyone else, so please be real careful. Making connection here in Tucson, just go to the other gate. It's been our pleasure having you aboard today. Thank you so much for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. We hope you have a great time here in Tucson. It's our home, and if it's home to you, welcome home. Always buckle up, drive safe, come back and see us real soon. Going on to Chicago or Minneapolis, stay seated for just a few more minutes. We'll count you as an ongoing customer. Once we have that count, you're welcome to get up and move about, but please just stay seated for a few more minutes. Once again, welcome to Tucson.